Siyanibingelela ohlelweni lwethu iEthekwini Matters. Igama lami uZimbili wakwaMazibuko, imina ozenethulela lolu hlelo. Umasipala weTheku usebenza ngokuzikhandla ukuletha izidingongqangi nokuhlinzeka ngoxhaso oludingekayo ukuze umkhakha wezolimo wendawo uthuthuke. Lokhu umasipala ukwenza ngaphansi kweminyango yawo uAgribusiness noAgroecology. Ezinye zezinsiza ezibalulekile ezihlinzekwa abalimi zihlanganisa ingqalasizinda, izinsiza zokusebenza, imishini, indawo yokuqeqesha abafuyi nezindawo zokusebenzela ezixhaselwe ukuvala igebe lezindawo ezimba eqolo nezingaphansi kwemikhakha ezimele, ukubanikeza izeluleko ngamabhizinisi, izimbewu, imithombo yokutshala nokunye okuningi. Namhlanje ke ohlelweni sivakashelwe umlimi uLungile Mchunu, imbokodo le ewumsunguli weLungile Mchunu Consultancy. Sikubingelele sikwamukele namhlanje kwiEthekwini Matters Lungile.
Ngiyakubingelela Zimbili, ngiyabonga ungamukela.
Sicela usichazele nje kabanzi ngomsebenzi wakho ukuthi wenzani nokuthi utholakala kanjani.
Njengoba usushilo sesigama lami uLungile Mchunu, which happens to be also igama le company uLungile Mchunu Consultancy. But for ukuba sibe aligned with the farming, we are trading as uSipho Sihle Farming and Processing. Njengamanje we are based in the north of eThekwini municipality, in a little town called Cottonlands, which is just outside of Verelem. We are currently doing crop production. We are specializing in crop production, where we focus on high value crops, tamatisi, no pepper. And also we are one of the very few seedling producers in eThekwini Metro. We are also recently started farming spinach, which was a need from our client aid and also from the community where we are located.
How did you get into the farming industry?
It was really unplanned. It's a very, very funny story. It was unplanned. Outside of farming, I do skills development consulting, where we train particularly in agriculture. So it was something, agriculture that I was never exposed to, having grown elokishini. There's no farm, there's no anything of the sort. But you just never understand ukuthi uvela kephi nendawo. So it wasn't planned ukungena kwami kwi-farming. So kuthe ngo-2018 when I was running training with farming, so having ukulekelela with the planning and the mentoring and supporting farmers, then I got interested ukuthi lento engihleze ngiyibona endlini, I never really understood ukuthi iqala kanjani. And at the same time as ngilekelela ngi-engage with communities, ngiyabona ukuthi if abantu be-mentored ngempela, we can assist as farmers ekutheni silekelele some of ama-social ills akhona, food shortage of food emakhaya. There's an issue of food security, there's unemployment, there's poverty, and abantu balahlekelwe isithunzi sabo emakhaya because abasebenzi. So if abantu bengabe guided properly, ngayibona ukuthi lento ingenzeka, we can support people ukuthi batshale. So ngase ngiyayithatha ngayipersonalize ukuthi how about nami ngiyizame lento as a business and also as a means ukunikeza abantu isithunzi sabo. So yaqala kanjalo ke i-idea. That was back in 2018. So ngaqala ke ngaplana as a business person, uyazi ukuthi awuvele nje ungene kwi-business venture. You have to do research, you have to plan ukuthi wena uzo-execute kanjani nokuthi uzo-specialize kephi nendawo. So from 2019 really up until 2020, it was still at a planning stage. Then ngawuthola ke umhlaba omncane kwaphazamisa ke indaba ze-COVID ke ngo-2020, so i-version was halted a bit. So kuthe mengabe ama-restrictions izapha, saqala ke saqhubeka ngene-idea of farming. But unfortunately at the time we were farming outside of iTheku, which wasn't ideal because I couldn't offer necessary support and supervision kubasebenzi and access to markets because ngangisendaweni very remote, I couldn't access the market. So lokho kwanginikeza inkinga ekuthini business alikwazi ukuqhubeka ngendlela ebekade ngiplane ngayo. So kuthe ngo-2021 while perusing through ezigagasi newspaper, ngahlangana ne-advert yakwamasipala ukuthi they are leasing ifarm iCottonlands Agri Park. Then I got interested because they were talking a language ehlukile One, it was gonna give me an opportunity to work closer to home, and then it was gonna give me an opportunity to sebenza ngama hydroponic tunnels. So it looked very interesting to me. I applied, I think it was in November, December 2021, yes. Turnaround time was very quickly. I was informed very early in January of 2022 ukuthi I've been awarded. So saqala kanjalo ukusebenza ke.
And the support that you've received from eThekwini municipality, how has that elevated your business?
The support from Masipala has been incredible. It has really been incredible. Ngoba ngisho ukuthi I'm a self-taught farmer. Siqale lapho nje kokuqala. So uma uqala ibhizinisi, as much as you've done your research, but usuke uyilekha leyo confidence ngoba into ongayijwayele kahle hle. So one, having somebody to mentor you, to hear you, kubalekile nje kukodwa lokho. Siqale nje lapho. Then ke bese kuthi izinto ezibonakalayo structurally. I'm not sure ukuthi uke wabanele ithuba lokuyivakashela le ndawo esikhuluma ngayo. It's an exquisite place ebekwe uMasipala eCottonland. Definitely gonna have to. So one, structurally nje mawufika uqhamuka nje it's kuyabonakala ukuthi kuyasetshenzwa lana. So they've offered us a site that's called khona ukuthi outside of ukutshala we are able to process, we are able to package i-produce yethu sihambise in a decent format, in environment clean. So yonke into nje clean, ku-professional. Siqale lapho nje. Bese ukuthi as much as we are listing and paying a minimal rate we rent, but ama-services abasinikeza wona, they are incredible. We have access to water. We have access to electricity, of which is siyawudinga ukurana ama-tunnels ethu. So we've got that at a very minimal cost. We have a 24-hour security. We have never had any incident of kuqekezelwa, ukuntshontshelwa equipment or produce. So uMasipala has made sure ukuthi we are safe. Njengoba bese ngingasho ukuthi ni mentorship, they are just a phone call away. If you feel angazi ukuthi awukho comfortable khona into ongekho sure ngayo, you think advice, you just pick up your phone. You have a person or dedicated ukhuluma naye akuyalela ukuthi ufanele wenze kanjani. If you need someone on site, kulula nakhona pick up ukuthi no, as I can't even explain the thing ngiyibona la. Can you send someone on site ukuthi azobona? Then bafike bazokubona bak-advise on site. And then as we speak right now, they are trying to improve the site. Ngoba it's busy, kuyasebenza. So I think in response to lama issues now, ama-floods currently, I'm not sure whether you've noticed ukuthi in north side of eThekwini has been hard hit. So we are being proactive in preventing ukuthi should we have another imvula uncontrollable njengoba sinayo recently, kungaguguleki produce, kungaguguleki futhi ne-infrastructure. So njengamanje they are maintaining the site, improve i-drainage system esesayithini. So konke lokho asikukhokheli is at i-cost kamasipala.
That's very nice.
Yes.
Imikhiqizo yakho siyeza ukuthi isikhona ezitolo eziningi ezihlukahlukene. Mhlambe abantu bangayithola kuphi nendawo?
Firstly, ngicela nje uacknowledge ngibonge ama-retailers who are understanding ngempela ukuthi they have a responsibility, a social responsibility. Abangayibhali nje their policies, but they who live it, abakwazi ukusupport njengoSpa nje. Ngizo-acknowledge uNoel Spa ose-Pinetown, ngi-acknowledge uNoel's uSpana ose-Showe, ngi-acknowledge noBox nje across iTheku. They've been really supportive. Uma ngabe bethi they are for the people, they definitely are for the people. Sisesiqala sifika, they guided us, even packaging and everything. They were there for us. They opened their doors. Bayi-produce yethu bayamkela. Basi-coacha la bafana basi-coache khona, basikhulisa la bafana basikhulise khona. So i-produce yethu njengamanje uyakwazi ukuyithola kwaSpana ePinetown, uyakwazi ukuyithola eShowe, uyakwazi ukuyithola koBox, especially ama-spinach uthola koBox.
Yeah. What's your message to emerging farmers nabantu abafisayo nje ukungena kuleli business labalimi?
It's very important uconsider leli business kubantu abasha. Nama was so blindsided ngiqala lana ngangakubona ukubaleka kwakhona. Njengoba ngisho ngisaqala ukuthi sometimes ubona isinkwa endlini, ubona utamatisi, ubona ushadeli, you take that for granted. Ama-farmers are responsible for ensuring ukuthi abantu bayaphila bayadla. Umasipala usi-offerishe ithuba namhlanje lokuthi siqashe abanye abantu. Our country right now is talking about high levels of unemployment. I'm proud to say through intervention kamasipala ngiyalekelela njengamhlanje ngiqashe abantu abawu-11 full time esayithini. So young farmers ngicela bakukhumbule lokho ukuthi kubalekile. They have a place in the society. So one kufanele baqale lapho nje bakukhumbule lokho, it is very very important. Bese kuthi okwesibili engaba advise ngako ukuthi have a plan ukuqala lapho. I-plan is just not to make money. Yes, at the end of the day we all want to make money, but have a clear plan mangabe uqala kwi-farming. I-farming it's you learn every day, you learn something new every day. Kunama different challenges. Each season will bring a different challenge ukuthi ungazange u-experience from a different season. So have a plan in mind ukuthi uzokwenza kanjani, and invest in yourself as a farmer siqale lapho, and also invest in the business as well. Ungathi la uqale khona then ube happy la uqale khona. Look for other opportunities. Again, through exposure and partnering with umasipala, we are exposed to funders, be it private or government funders. So bakwazi ukukufunda if ungatshengisi ukulamba nesign ukuthi we are passionate ngalento oyenzayo. So sitholile lawo mathuba njengamanje ukuthi sibe funded and supported by other institutions. So young farmers have a bigger vision. I-vision angingabe ukuthi nje uzoba nemali kuphela. Yes, you have money at the end of the day, but have a clear plan ukuthi ufuna ukwenzani with the business, and also look for a mentorship. With any business, not just farming. You need support. You need people who've been there in the field to understand the field. So look for abantu abazokwazi ukuthi bakulekelele. If not, bakhona abantu abanjengomasipala kunama advisory desk. Even umasipala, in the government, nakhona banabo abantu abadedicated to support you. So asingayibukeli phansi farming sithi umsebenzi womama yenza omama into yakudala. Siyadla namhlanje kusadliwa. We will never stop eating sisekhona emhlabeni. So it's a field engibathanda uba encourage abantu abasebasho ukuthi look into it. It's very rewarding at the end of the day.
Sibonge kakhulu Lungile isikhathi sakho namhlanje. uLungile Mchunu weLungile Mchunu Consultancy, omunye wabalimi abahlomule kakhulu ohlelweni ke lukamasipala. Sibonge kakhulu ngokuthamela uhlelo lwethu namhlanje. Igama lami uZimbili wakwaMazibuko. Mina nethimba lonke sizobonana ngesikhathi esizayo. Ungakhohlwa ukulike, ukushare, nokusubscribe.